Good learners, welcome to another class. Our topic for today will be sexually transmitted infections. I'm sure this topic should not be new to you, but if it is, let's go through it to know what STIs means, which is called sexually transmitted infection. These are infections that are transmitted through sexual intercourse, through when a man and a woman have sex together. If any of them has any diseases, it will be transmitted to them. Sexually transmitted diseases are also transmitted through sexual intercourse. People often use sexually transmitted infection and sexually transmitted disease interchangeably. Technically, STIs and STDs are not the same. Having an STI means that an individual has an infection, but that it has not yet developed into a disease. Get it? Having an STI means that the individual has infection that has not yet developed into a disease. Take for instance, human papilloma virus, for instance. Typically, a woman with HPV does not have any symptoms, but she carries the virus. She has an STI. Can have the infection, which has not led to disease. But if she develops cervical cancer from HPV, she now has STD. That means that HPV has turned into a disease. Now, the same is true for individuals who has chlamydia. It is chlamydia or gonorrhea infections that develops into pelvic inflammatory diseases. Diseases which are transmitted by sexual intercourse are known as venereal diseases, as VD, or sexually transmitted diseases. Examples of venereal diseases are gonorrhea, syphilis, acquired immune deficiency syndrome. Others are urethritis, and herpes, which are caused by a virus, trichomoniasis, caused by a protozoan, thrush caused by a virus, staphylococcus caused by bacterium. We've done that in types of bacteria. Some sexually transmitted diseases, causative organism, mode of transmission, their hosts and symptoms are outlined in the table below. We have the gonorrhea. What causes these organisms are bacteria, and they are transmitted by sexual intercourse. Their host is man. These are the symptoms. We have inflamed urethral, burning sensation during urination, and a thick yellowish discharge in males. In female, they may be pain in passing urine, redness around the urinary opening, vaginal discharge, or swelling of the vulva. It may cause blindness to babies during pregnancy. We have syphilis as well. We have AIDS. AIDS can be through sexual intercourse, blood transfusion, injection, or needle. And the host is any infected person. You can see their symptoms: high fever, loss of weight, chronic diarrhea, skin rashes, wasting away of muscles, and final death. We have staphylococcus. It's also a bacterium caused by a bacterium through sexual intercourse and man. You can go through the symptoms. There are symptoms: itching around the private part, burning sensation around the waist in men. In female, there are itching around private parts, burning sensation in waist, etc. We have airborne diseases as well. These ones are airborne diseases. These are tuberculosis, measles, pneumonia, meningitis, smallpox, common cold, influenza, German measles, whooping cough, chickenpox. Tuberculosis are caused by bacteria. Their mode of transmission is airborne, can be carried uh, by air. So anytime you're with somebody that has tuberculosis, it is advised for that person that has tuberculosis to always use an handkerchief so that to protect them, not to transfer that thing through the air. And the host, you can find them in cow and man. Persistent dry coughing and profuse sweating at night, high temperature, loss of weight and blood sputum. You start spitting blood, start coughing, a dry cough. That's symptoms of tuberculosis. Measles caused by virus contact, air and body. That's the mode of transmission. And you find, and the host is man and children. You have high fever, skin rashes, headache, head cold, cough, and body pain. You have pneumonia is caused by bacterium, and the mode of transmission is by air. And the host is a man, pig, bird, and cow. High fever, difficult breathing, and cough. You have meningitis also caused by bacteria. Mode of transmission is airborne, children and young adults. The major symptoms you see in anyone having meningitis is high headache, fever, vomiting, high fever, headache, vomiting. As smallpox, also the causative organism is virus. It is airborne transmitted, transmission via airborne. And their host is man. We have high fever, headache, and running nose. You have a running nose. So anyone that has a running nose, you know that running nose, headache, and fever, or these symptoms, you know that person has a common cold. Influenza, virus, that's a causative organism. Airborne is transmission, man. We have German measles as well. They are also airborne. They are virus. They are caused by viruses. They are also body. There are symptoms of rashes on the face, there are swollen glands on the cheek, whooping cough. You have bacteria. They are caused by bacteria. Mode of transmission airborne. Host man of all ages. You have the clade. You have high fever, cough, and vomiting. You have chickenpox caused by virus. Airborne, man of all ages. Chin skin rash. Disease spread by vector. The vector is an animal that transmits a disease-causing organism. A vector is an animal that transmits a disease-causing organism from one person suffering from disease to another. The table below shows the vector, microorganisms, and disease they transmit. We have malaria fever. We know the causative organism is Plasmodium. There's an organism called Plasmodium that carries this. Causative organism is Plasmodium. Sorry, it's just their vector. The organism that carries it are female Anopheles mosquito. They carry Plasmodium, and their host is man. Symptoms: high fever or high temperature, loss of appetite, pains at the joint, headache, rigor or shivering, stomach cramps, dizziness, vomiting, weakness, or tiredness. Another one is sleeping sickness, which is caused by trypanosome, and the vector is Tesses fly. Trypanosome is also a protozoa, and their host is man. So the symptoms is regular and uncontrollable sleepiness, fever and headache, sluggishness and drowsiness. Have to play, rat flea, bacterium causes it. Man, the symptoms: shivering, fever, cough, and difficult breathing. You have the typhus fever, rickets, body loss. Man, high fever, severe pain in the muscle, dengue fever. You have virus caused by a male 8 mosquito bite. The host is man and donkey. High fever, severe pains in the joint and back and head, nasal and vomiting. The nasal is NA, not NO. Yellow fever. Causative organism is virus. The vector is also eight mosquito bite, and its host is man. And the symptom is high fever, headache, and backache. Temperature falls, and virus enter into the liver and kidney. Jaundice develop. River blindness caused by protozoan, black fly man, severe headache, high fever, and gradual blindness. Thank you. Do have a wonderful day. If you have any question, you can talk in the classroom discussion box. Thank you.